YouTube, this is your girl Jaleesa again. Okay, so I just got finished getting my hair installed. Guys, this hair is awesome, okay? Absolutely awesome. Look at it. It flows beautifully. Oh my god. I can run my fingers through it. It's gorgeous. So, like I was telling you guys earlier, I left all of my hair out around the outside, just a little bit around the edges, just so that I can pull it up into ponytails and everything when I'm wearing it. But what we decided to do today, like I said, I didn't know whether I was going to do the wavy look or if I was going to do the celebrity curls or if I was going to wear it straight. Well, I decided to go ahead and keep it in this natural curl pattern, which is the wavy. And look at it. Just look at it. It's gorgeous. Look. Hi. See? Cute. So cute. But this hair is so lightweight. Oh my god. I have 2 bundles of hair in my head. And it's still full, but it's not heavy, y'all. I can't feel nothing different on my head than I normally do with my normal hair. The only difference is that it is actually going down my back. Well, that's normal. But as far as the weight is concerned, I don't feel anything different. It feels great. So I definitely suggest and recommend this hair to anybody that's looking for virgin hair. And I'm not just saying that because I sell the hair, but I am saying that because it is actually good quality hair. Like I said, I've used so many different types of virgin hair in the past, and there's none that compares to this hair. It is so lightweight, so fluffy, so soft. Like, I've had it done now since about... So I've had some of it. It was halfway done at about 3 o'clock, and I just got finished getting it completed. And so since 3 o'clock, I've had my hair in between 12 and 3, and none of the hair that was in the back, it hasn't tangled or knotted up yet. And normally, it's kind of like you know that the hair is going to tangle if it's down your back. This hair hasn't tangled yet. I haven't pulled out one piece of hair. Look, when I run my fingers through, I don't know if you can see my hands. I did nothing. It's completely shed-free, guys. So, just get at me. Like I said, my name is Jaleesa Washington. My Facebook is Jaleesa Washington also. My phone number is 843-751-5720. My email is lovemebw@gmail.com. And let me know when you want to put your order in. It normally takes anywhere between 1.5 weeks to 2 weeks to get the hair to you if I'm shipping it to you. So guys, let me know what you want to do. Give me your orders, okay? This hair is the hottest thing on the scene right now. I'm trying to tell you. No other hair compares, okay? I'm going to let you guys talk to my husband, and I'm just going to ask him how he likes the hair, and he's going to give you his honest opinion, okay? I'm going to ask him, and you guys can see that your guy friend or your husband is going to absolutely love the hair, okay? But, Byron, how do you like this hair?
I think the hair is very nice hair. Women, do you feel that, you know, if you want to impress your husband or man, whatever relationship you got going on, get the hair, okay? I dig it. It make heads turn, okay?
So you heard it firsthand from a man. He loves the hair. And I can tell you firsthand as well, my husband does not like weave that much. I know a lot of men that don't like weave. So if you have one of those husbands or one of those boyfriends that don't like you to wear weave, they want your hair to be natural and flowy, this is the hair for you, okay? All right. Thanks for listening. Bye. See you later.